In this video, I'm going to show you how to ungroup layers in Krita in a quick and easy way. If you've ever organized your artwork into group layers and now want to separate everything back out, this tutorial will help you do that without confusion. We'll cover the fastest keyboard shortcut, the right-click method, and what happens when you ungroup selected layers. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Krita tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in Krita and look at the Layers panel. Find the group layer that you want to ungroup. A group layer is usually the folder style layer that contains multiple layers inside it. To ungroup it using the keyboard, click on the group layer so it is selected, then press Ctrl+Alt+G at the same time. As soon as you do that, Krita will ungroup the folder and separate the layers inside it. Now, if you prefer using the menu instead of a shortcut, there is another simple option. Right-click on the group layer in the Layers panel, then move to the Group option in the menu and choose Quick Ungroup. This does the same thing and is a great alternative if you do not want to remember the shortcut. One important thing to understand is that when you select the group layer and ungroup it, all of the layers inside that group will be disbanded and moved out of the folder structure. That means the layers are no longer organized inside the group, so you may want to check your layers panel afterward to make sure everything is in the right place. Also, if you only want to separate one layer out of the group instead of ungrouping everything, you can select that one layer within the group and move it out separately. This is useful when you only need to extract a single layer while keeping the rest of the group intact. So depending on what you need, you can either ungroup the whole folder or pull out individual layers one at a time, and that's really all there is to it. To quickly ungroup layers in Krita, select the group layer and press Ctrl+Alt+G or right-click and use Quick Ungroup under the Group menu. If you wanted to separate just one layer, you can select it inside the group and move it out individually. Simple, fast, and very useful for keeping your workflow flexible. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more Krita tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.